In today's video, I'm to teach you how to redeem an eBay gift card. If you've received an eBay gift card and you're not quite sure where to use it during checkout, don't worry. The process is very simple once you know where to look. And in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to apply it to your purchase. To begin, make sure you've already found the item you want to buy on eBay. Once you're on the product page and you're ready to check out, click on Buy It Now. This takes you directly into the checkout flow so you can complete your order right away. If you're purchasing just one item, this is often the fastest way to get to the payment screen where gift cards can be redeemed. After that, you'll arrive at the checkout page. On this screen, look for the section labeled Gift Cards and Coupons. This is the area where eBay lets you enter promotional codes, coupons, or gift card details. In the code field, carefully type in your gift card code exactly as it appears. It's important to enter it correctly, including any letters or numbers in the right order. A small typo can prevent the card from being accepted, so take a second to double check before moving on. Once the code has been entered, click Apply. This tells eBay to validate the gift card and use its balance toward your purchase. If the code is valid, you should see the order total update automatically. Depending on the gift card balance and the cost of the item, the card may either cover the full amount or reduce the total so that only the remaining balance needs to be paid with another payment method. If the gift card doesn't seem to work right away, the best thing to do is review the code one more time and make sure there are no extra spaces or mistakes. Also, make sure you're entering the gift card in the correct field under Gift Cards and Coupons, rather than another payment section. And that's it. Once the gift card has been successfully applied, you can continue through checkout and place your order as usual. As a quick tip, if your gift card doesn't cover the entire purchase, be ready to use a backup payment method for the remaining amount. That's how to redeem an eBay gift card quickly and easily during checkout.